Good morning, students. Today we'll learn in network and cybersecurity the document driven certification and accreditation. What is certification and accreditation in cybersecurity? Certification and accreditation, it is a two-step process. It ensures the security of information system. It is a two-step process. It ensures the security of information system. Certification is the process of testing or examining or evaluating the security controls that have been predefined based on the data types in an information system. I'll repeat, certification is the process of evaluating, testing, and examining. What we are going to test? The security controls in the certification process. We are going to test the security controls that have been predefined. It has already been predefined based on the data types in the information system. It is a two-step process. Certification and accreditation is the two-step process. It has a two-step process. Why we perform the two-step process? To ensure the security of a information system. Now, the certification we'll see. The certification, what is certification? It is testing or examining. What we are going to examine, what we are going to test, the security controls. These security controls have been predefined. On what basis we predefine them? Based on the data types in the information system. Now, you may ask, which certification is best for cybersecurity? We have number of types for certification. Those are suitable for cybersecurity. Out of them are, say example, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or Certified Information System Security Professional, or Certified Information System Manager, or the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. Like we have number of types which are suitable for the cybersecurity. In that I have listed few. Now again I'll just define what is certification and accreditation. It is a two-step process. It is actually two steps. Why it is required? Which it ensures the security of an information system. Certification is the process of testing or examining. It is the process of testing or examining the security controls which have been already defined based on the data types in the information system. The evaluation compares the current system security in the evaluation process, in the certification evaluation process. What it does, it compares the current system security. We'll be having the current system security with specific standards. In the certification process, the evaluation is done. In that evaluation, it compares the current system security with specific standards. It is a process. Certification is nothing but testing the or examining the security controls which have been predefined in the information system. Certification is the evaluation. It is the which compares current system security with the specific standards. Certification process ensures that if we do certification process in the cybersecurity, in the network cybersecurity, it ensures us that security weaknesses are identified. Why we do the certification process? If we do the certification process, it ensures that security weakness, in that we can identify the weakness of security and plans for mitigation. What is the necessity of doing certification? If you do certification process, it ensures us the weakness of the security. If we do the certification, weakness of the security are identified, and we can plan for the mitigation strategies. Now this is for certification. Now accreditation is what? Accreditation, it is the process of accepting the risks. It is the certification is nothing but testing, where we can identify the weakness of security and we can plan for mitigation. Then what is accreditation? It is the process of accepting the risk which is associated with continued operation of a system. I'll repeat. Accreditation is the accepting risk. It is a process of accepting the risk that is associated with the continued operation of the system. So if you can want to differentiate what is certification and accreditation, certification is testing or examining, and in that process we are finding the certification, we are finding the weakness, security weakness, whereas in the accreditation what we are doing, we are accepting the risk. That risk is associated with the continued operation of a system and granting the approval to operate for a specified period of time. It's a process of accepting the risk and granting the approval. Accreditation is the granting the approval to operate for a specific period of time. Now, this accreditation or certification, how this is in IT governance, how this is useful. In IT governance, the primary reason why this certification and accreditation is being performed, what is the use of doing the accreditation or certification in the IT industries? It is being performed on critical system to ensure that the security compliance has been technically evaluated. In the IT governance, the primary reason why the certification or accreditation process is being done on the critical system is to ensure that the security compliance has been technically evaluated. Certified and accredited systems are systems that have their security compliance technically evaluated for optimal performance in a specific environment and configuration. These certified systems are evaluated to run in a specific working environment. If you perform the certification, then the certified systems are evaluated. They are evaluated to run in a specific working environment. So you may ask me, what is the use of doing certification? What is the use of doing accreditation in the IT governance? In the IT governance, the primary reason why the certification and accreditation is being performed on the system is to ensure that the security compliance has been technically evaluated. Certified and accredited systems are the systems that have their security compliance technically evaluated for optimal performance in the specific environment. These certified systems, if you do the certification of a system, are evaluated to run in a specific working environment. So I'll just repeat what we have done in the today's class. What is certification and accreditation? It is a two-step process. It ensures the security of a information system. Now, how you define security and accreditation? Certification is a process of testing or examining the security controls that have been predefined based on the data type in the information system. Whereas accreditation is the process of accepting the risk associated with the continued operation of a system, and accreditation is granting the approval to operate for a specified period of time. And in the IT governance, what is the primary goal of doing certification and accreditation is being performed on a critical system. The accreditation or certification is being performed on a critical system to ensure that the security compliance has been technically evaluated, so that these certified systems are evaluated to run in a specific working environment.